Okay, so for 6B, right, it's solely tested on the arc length and sector, which a lot of people seems like mentally stuck at this. Okay, the formula is very limited. If it's in radian format, the formula for arc length is r theta. Area of sector is half r square theta. But if you are doing the question in in radian, so do remember that pi radian is 180 degree. So if you are using like 90 degree, it's equivalent to pi over 2. 2 pi is 360 degree. So you need to remember the equivalence of it. Okay. And then you must also know the idea of major arc, minor arc. However, in this topic, sometimes there will be some use of cosine rule, or there will be some use of area of triangle, half AB sine C. So that is a quick overview for this topic. So if you are doing it in degree, if the question happens in degree, then the arc length will be the fraction multiplied by circumference. The sector will also be the fraction multiplied by the area of the circle. Okay, so what I will suggest is if the question is provided in radian, do it in radian. Don't bother changing. If the question is provided in degree, do it in degree. Don't bother to change as well. So this whole question is done in radian. So we will stick to the radian formula, and your calculator needs to be in radian mode. So first part is quite easy, provided you see the word major arc. So a lot of people will not see the word major arc. So some of you may have gone to find the minor arc. So this part is called the minor arc. So there are some of you who went on to find this minor arc because you know there is r theta. So actually, if you are the one who go and find the minor arc, then after that, if you read the question, oh, the question actually wants the major arc. So the major is this part. So what you can do is you use the full circumference. So what I did was I used the full circumference. So the full circumference is 2 pi r. That means I get the full circle parameter, then I subtract away the minor arc. So you can do it that way. Or else what you can do is, right, get the reflex angle. Get this reflex angle by using a 2 pi. So usually in order to do the reflex, you will use a 360. But the equivalent of 360 is 2 pi. So you get the reflex angle first, and then you apply the r theta, but you apply it on the reflex angle. So there are two ways of doing it. If you got the reflex angle, you use the reflex angle and you still continue with r theta. If you have found the minor arc, you can use the full circumference to minus the minor arc. You will eventually get the same answer. And that will also help you to calculate the shaded area. So the next part, we are interested in the shaded area divided by the area of the circle. Area of circle shouldn't be an issue. So that's why I've gotten the area of the circle first. So this one will be the denominator, pi r squared. So if I want to find the shaded area, it's a segment. So this one is a segment. So how do you get the segment? You can get a sector first. Get a piece of pizza, which I will be using this formula. Then I will subtract away the triangle by using half AB sine C. So in order to get the shaded area, it will be sector minus triangle. Sector is half r squared theta, triangle is half AB sine C. So make sure you do it in radian mode. And use as many decimal places as possible. So shaded area over circle multiplied by 100 will give you the percentage of the shaded area. So I also don't think this is very difficult if you just look at the formula available.